Want to know how to make Cursor AI add example uses in your code? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. The first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application and open up or write a code. So I have this code with me right here. And in order to add example uses for this very code, what you can do is I need to select the entire code first. So this selects the entire code and the file itself. So once I select that, just simply select Ctrl+L on the keyboard, which will open up a chat. So as you can see right here, a chat or the AI chat has been opened up. So what I can simply type is this. So once you have typed in this, it should plan its moves and it should give you an example of how this code can be used by reading the entire code. And as you can see right here, it's giving you an answer. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.